Saint Cyrus and John. They are venerated as saints in the Roman Catholic Church and Orthodox churches. They became very famous because of their simple deeds and it touched the heart of people. They healed the sick free of charges whenever they can do it anytime. Their feast is celebrated on the 30th of January. Cyrus is clothed in monastic habit and John is wearing coat. Cyrus is from Alexandria and John from Edessa. Cyrus was a doctor and he had a dispensary. Later it is transformed for a church or a temple dedicated to Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. He ministered to sick free of charges and at the same time labored with all the ardor of an apostle of the faith and warned many from pagan superstition. He used to say, "Whoever wishes to avoid being ill should refrain from sin, for sin is often cause of bodily illness." This happened during the time of Diocletian persecution period. He escaped to Arabia, where he took refuge in a town near the sea called Stosan. There he received the tonsure and monastic habit. There he abandoned medicine and tried to live a monastic life in deep. He punished himself in wanted to see the face of God. But John belonged to the army in which he had a high rank. Hearing of the virtue and wonders of Cyrus, he went to Jerusalem and then to Arabia to follow Cyrus in the monastic life. During the persecution of Diocletian, three holy virgins, 15-year-old Theoclistia, 13-year-old Theodora, 11-year-old Theodosia, with their mother Athanasia, were arrested in Canopus and brought to Alexandria. Cyrus and John heard it and flew to meet them, fearing at the time of torments that they will deny Christ, wanted to support them at the agony. This fact was heard, and they also were arrested, and after them they tormented them and beheaded them on the 31st of January. The bodies of the two martyrs were placed in the church of St. Mark the Evangelist in Alexandria. They gave their lives because of faith. They should have kept silence, but they never kept silence. They want to testimony the faith that they have in Jesus Christ and support others who are suffering at the death pain. Let's take this good example into our life that we may have the chances to confess, to profess our deep faith in the name of Jesus Christ. We should not have any fear. We should not take it in discouragement, but to have real faith in Jesus Christ and to give a good testimony. May God bless you all.